Back in year 2008, when I first came across jQuery, I felt it too incredible. The ease of manipulating DOM nodes, cross-platform APIs was strikingly noticeable. But beyond the form validations and adding effects to the HTML pages, I never thought JavaScript has its uses. I must be fooled back then. I remember the nuisance of applying the form validations. For close to 5 years, I used JavaScript for nothing more than making sure users don't enter any garbage in my application. JavaScript definitely saved me back then. Things started changing after year 2008. No, I'm not talking about the financial crisis and how it shook the entire world. In last 10 years, we all experienced how JavaScript outperformed everyone's expectation. In the beginning, when JavaScript was almost treated like an underdog, but who knew that one day it will unleash so much of power? From an underdog to being a top dog. The rise of frameworks like Node.js, Angular, React, WebAssembly, ASM.js, etc. prove what JavaScript is really capable of. What was once seen as mere form validation language is now being used in hybrid mobile app development using frameworks like NativeScript, Titanium.js, Ionic, Onsen. These are just a few examples. And it just doesn't stop there. JavaScript is also used for server-side development. You must have seen the frameworks like Express.js, Meteor.js, Svelte.js. Well, at least we'll just go on. But let me tell you, that's not the end. JavaScript has also stepped into artificial intelligence. We are seeing giant companies like Microsoft, Apple, Google have made JavaScript as their mainstream language. And they are pouring millions of dollars to make it high performant, secure and usable. So my dear friends, if you are in this information technology world and working as a programmer, it is unlikely that your organization is not using JavaScript in one form or the other. Wait a minute, can we please validate what market is really offering for a person having JavaScript knowledge? I looked at none other than my favorite website, and most probably it is yours too, Stack Overflow. As per the survey conducted by Stack Overflow in 2018, JavaScript was voted as the most popular technology by all respondents. Stack Overflow offers a salary calculator which requires few data items like experience, location, current role, and top 5 technical skills. I kept the profile very low and also chose experience as 5 years. Definitely, the results were astonishing. Salaries like this were once only possible if you are like a ninja with the different varieties of skills. With a mandatory requirement of either knowing Java or .NET or something similar. Things have definitely changed. If you don't know about the JavaScript yet, it is a high time that you should. I do understand that many of you may be having a confusion where to begin. Should I start with Angular or React or Node.js? Oh, there is so much of confusion. And maybe most of you are from a background where you never spent enough time with the JavaScript. Don't worry. We will have a highly focused content on JavaScript primers. So even if you don't know the ABCs of JavaScript, the series will have you covered. Well, it is time to wrap this video, but with the promise, I will see you soon in the next one. Till then, take care and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.